Hi guys, my name is Melissa and you are watching Mel's Scuba World on YouTube. You're welcome to call me Mel and I am a PADI Scuba Diver instructor. And today I want to be explaining about different course and how to start in diving. It is all depend on your water confidence level. So basically, let me explain to you one by one so that what fits you. So next time when you go for an island trip, you can sign up a proper course that you are mentally and physically prepared. Okay, so discover scuba diving is half of a day. It is definitely not a license, it's an experience. But once you're able to do a few skills, okay, you will get a little certificate if you sign up for PADI. Once you complete the skills, we will register you in a PADI system. That means you are recognized with PADI. You did a Discover Scuba Dive. And again, it is not a license. You can dive with a minimum, a Discover Scuba Dive leader, a dive master that has that, okay? And you dive at 12 meters. So let's move on to the second one, Scuba Diver. Okay, a PADI Scuba Diver level, it is a license. You can dive up to 12 meter. Once you certify as a diver, you need to be diving with a minimum of an active member of dive master. Because this level, you only learn chapter 1, 2, and 3. You will be needing to float for 10 minutes. You don't need to swim. You need to float. What I mean by 10-minute float is without flotation, not even a wetsuit. We need to be able to judge you and assess you having the face and stay above the water without drowning. Okay, and let's go to the open water level. So in PADI open water, you will learn many safety skills. Okay, you basically will learn a lot and you will be allowed to dive up to 18 meters. Once you qualify and graduate in this level, you can be buddy up with another open water, which is your level, and you can plan the dive and dive within your limits because you will be learning the whole course of open water level, okay, and dive planning. So a lot of people says, well, Melissa, because of my water confidence is a little bit low, I know how to float, I know how to swim, and they short on time in the island, then I will definitely suggest them a scuba diver course. Okay, because once they graduated, they can dive with a minimum of a active member of dive master to be their buddy, to build that water confidence slowly, and then they can upgrade to an open water anytime they want. So PADI is worldwide and you can do that anywhere in the world. Okay, so I'm hoping this video explained to you about difference of it. A lot of dive centers, which is they always try to sell an open water first. Obviously, it's because of it's a full license. You can up to 18 meters, right? And you can be just pair out with another friend or partner of yours and just go diving. Okay, and definitely that's their sales pitching, and it's good. Okay, that dive centers does that, because I do that too, because you always want to sell the open water first, and basically if they cannot get that option, then of course you try to sell a scuba diver. Okay, so again, make sure ask them their level of water confident, okay, and which one they think they want to do, because it is very, very important to take care of their life. Diving has a lot of risks, and I'm hoping you guys do your research before you sign up for your license. I have many other videos related on scuba tips, scuba facts, and scuba eco. And thank you so much, you guys, for watching. And any other related videos link is under my description below. Do subscribe, like, comment, share this video to any of the divers out there that is concerned, and I'm hoping I answer every questions that you have. If not, just comment below and I will try to help you. Thank you so much for watching. Till then, bye.